Hello, I'm Derek Mr. Fresh Harper, and I'm a pressure washing business consultant. And what that means is that I can help you leverage your biggest asset to create a profitable pressure washing business. And what's your biggest asset? Well, it's you. So welcome to the free training. You're in for a treat today because I'm going to give you 3 ways to create a profitable pressure washing business. This training in particular is for those who are looking to start a profitable pressure washing business. And that's what we're going to be talking about today. We're going to give you 3 ways to create a profitable pressure washing business. And this is essential because many people jump out there without knowing these steps, and then they get themselves into trouble. And not only do they get into trouble, but they waste tons of money making mistakes that they can simply avoid by learning these 3 steps that I'm going to tell you today. So you need to watch all the way to the end so you can start using these 3 steps today so you can build a profitable pressure washing business tomorrow. Plus, I have a very special bonus for you at the end, so stay with me. These 3 steps that I'm going to give you is crucial to building a profitable pressure washing business because it's really hard to get started when you don't know what you don't know, if that makes sense. And if you're anything like me, then you've probably spent countless hours trying to find the right answers to starting and growing your pressure washing business. And if you've been struggling to find those right answers, then watching this will tell you exactly what you need to do about starting your pressure washing business. So let's get started. The real challenge that we have, and this is the reason why you're here, is that you may not know where to start when setting up a pressure washing business. You've thought about it, you want to turn an idea into a reality. You've probably said over and over you're going to do it, but you never get around to it. Maybe you tried and failed, and now you want help doing it again the right way. Well, let me tell you guys, I've been there. I've said all of these things. I've tried to start and got sidetracked. I said I was going to start at the top of the year, but didn't know where to start or how to start. I've even tried 3 times and failed before I got it right. These are real challenges that plagues all entrepreneurs before they become entrepreneurs. But I'm here as proof that these challenges can be overcome. You can do it too. You belong here, and we're going to work together to help you reach your goals. Okay, so before I jump into how to build a profitable pressure washing business, I just want to make sure that we're on the same page here. I can remember being a struggling entrepreneur where I was just frustrated with my current work situation. I had to be at work at a certain time, could use the bathroom at a certain time. They even told me how long I had to eat and when I could eat. I'm sorry, but that to me sounds like jail. The only difference is I was able to go home at night. But more importantly than that, I had basically no time to work on my business because I was doing so much for my job. Even worse is that I didn't have the strategy and I knew that I needed to make a change. So I decided to take time for myself and my business when I could, and I committed myself to learning all I could about the pressure washing business and built my pressure washing business from the ground up. And now I consistently make money week after week pressure washing. But I'm not the only one that's been in this place. I'm sure you guys have been in the same position. You've done your research, you've Googled it, but you don't know what the steps are. And when you did find the steps, you probably were confused about what it all meant. But you knew that if you had a guide or a step-by-step process or somebody that can give you the blueprint so you can bypass the struggle and get to the success, then you would take it. If that's where you are, then I'm sure you know the importance of having some guidance from someone who's been there and got out of the struggle. Again, guys, I was exactly where you were before. I wanted success so bad that I didn't know how to get there. I wanted success as bad as I wanted to breathe. I didn't know which way to go, and I was seeking guidance. And after failed attempt after failed attempt and tons of wasted money, I learned how to maneuver in this industry and was able to start building and growing a profitable pressure washing business that is sustainable in a fraction of the time. I was able to get ahead faster than I ever thought possible. I was able to crush my goals and do what I never thought was possible with less mistakes and even make more money because I had a strategy, I had a plan, and I knew exactly what I needed to do every day. It was amazing. Now I have financial freedom, I have better quality of life, and these are all the things that you can have too. Just look at what I was able to do in a short period of time. Look at these checks. $375 here, $150 here, $450 there, $200 here. And the checks are on and on and on. I even have checks from a business that I watched over and over and got a check every week from doing this. I applied the information I'm going to share with you today, and I was able to have the business that I knew I could have. So I want to share with you the 3 steps to build your pressure washing business. So if you want to build a profitable pressure washing business, you have to take the leap. You need to be willing to be coachable. You need to be willing to invest in yourself. You need a mindset change, because only then will you be able to look past all of the negative things that you might be hearing from your friends or family. It's funny how those things work out, right? But you need to push past the noise. So then after your mindset change, you need to learn step 1, how to set up the legal part of your business. Know whether you are going to be an LLC or a sole proprietorship or an LP. Knowing this and the benefits of these will kickstart your business. Also, having your LLC has certain protections for your personal assets. Step 2 is knowing what equipment to buy and how you can use low-cost equipment to produce pro results. Everyone will tell you that you need to go out and buy a $1,500 washer to have any chance in this business. That is totally false. You can get professional results with low-cost equipment directly from a place like Walmart. Now, I know you're thinking, there is no way I'd get laughed out of the customer's neighborhood. I can tell you guys from experience that equipment is not going to matter if you're doing amazing work that you can do easily. Before I give out the last step, I want to encourage you to stay to the very end, because remember, I told you I have a special bonus for you that I know you're going to love. So make sure you stay until the end to receive your bonus. Step 3 is to leverage your customers to get a steady flow of referral work. And you do this by offering incentives to your customers for referrals. Word of mouth is the best form of advertisement. And if you encourage your customers to refer you to their friends, you'll be doing 3 to 5 houses in no time. Now you might be saying, I don't have any customers. Well, there's a simple trick that can get you started. And you start with yourself. Your home. And if you don't have a home, use a friend's home or parent's home. Once they see the great work you've done, then they will definitely refer you to other friends and family. Okay, so I told you that I had a special bonus for you, and I'm here to deliver on my promise. The bonus I have for you is this: a step-by-step guide to help you navigate through the pressure washing business setup process. A way to leverage your existing or low-cost equipment that you're planning to acquire. A way to realize your dream of owning a profitable pressure washing business. So if you're ready to invest in yourself, if you're ready to be coachable, if you're ready to take that leap, then I'm here and ready to work with you. Go ahead and click the link to the left of this screen or the one at the bottom, and I'll be happy to give you a step-by-step blueprint that helped build my profitable pressure washing business.